Hello everybody, welcome to another English lesson. Now we are going to talk about used to form. Look at the picture. The butterfly says, I used to be you. Here we can see a state in the past which is no longer true. The insect used to be a caterpillar, but now it's a butterfly. Let's start with charts. In order to write affirmative statements using used to, you must write first subject plus used to plus base form of the verb plus complement if it is needed. Examples: I used to work every day. They used to work every day. She used to work every day. In order to write negative statements using used to, you must write first the subject plus didn't used to plus base form of the verb plus complement if it is needed. Examples: I didn't used to work every day. You didn't used to work every day. She didn't used to work every day. In order to use yes/no questions, you must write first the auxiliary did plus subject plus used to plus base form of the verb plus complement. And don't forget the question mark. For example, did you used to work every day? Did they used to work every day? Did she used to work every day? Now we have the short answers. In affirmative way, you can say, yes, I did. Yes, we did. Yes, she did. In a negative form, you can say, no, I didn't. No, we didn't. No, she didn't. In order to write information question, you must use first a WH word plus did plus subject plus used to plus base form of the verb plus complement if it is needed plus question mark. For example, why did you used to work every day? Why did they used to work every day? Why did she used to work every day? Let's continue with grammar explanation. Number 1. Use used to plus base form of the verb to talk about past habits or past situations that no longer exist in the present. For example, used to buy.
I used to have long hair.
But now I have short hair.
He used to smoke.
But now he doesn't smoke.
They used to live in India.
But now they live in Germany. Be careful. Used to always has a past meaning. There is no present tense form.
When I was young, I used to have long hair.
I cannot say, today I used to have long hair. 2. We usually use used to in sentences that contrast the past and the present. We often emphasize this contrast by using time expressions such as now, no longer, and not anymore with the present tense. More examples.
Jean used to come only in blue. Now you can buy them in any color. They used to live in London, but they no longer live there. She used to wear a size 6, but she doesn't anymore.
Number 3. Be careful. Form questions with did plus used to. Form the negative with didn't plus used to. Because used to with D is more common in affirmative statements than in negative statements or questions. For example,
did you used to wear jeans? Did you used to wear jeans? They didn't used to come in different colors. They didn't used to come in different colors.
Notice that we have the same pronunciation, but you don't have to write the in question sentences nor in negative sentences. Number 4. Be careful. Do not confuse used to plus base form of the verb with the following expressions like be used to, that means be accustomed to, or get used to, that means get accustomed to. Examples.
I used to work every day.
It means it was his past habit to work every day.
I'm used to working every day.
It means it is normal for him to work every day.
I got used to working every day.
It means he got accustomed to work every day. Okay, let's practice. Choose the correct option. I remember you. You, to go to school here. Option A, use. B, were using. C, used. D, were used. You are right. The correct option is C. I remember you. You used to go to school here. Next, choose the correct option. Did Sylvia in Cochabamba? Option A, lived. B, used to live. C, used to live. D, used to live in. Right again. The correct option is B. Did Sylvia used to live in Cochabamba? Last practice. Find the mistake in this sentence. She didn't used to like chocolate, but she does now. Where is the mistake? A, B, C, or D? Good. The mistake is on B. It must say use, no used with D, because this is a negative sentence. We are using auxiliary didn't. For that reason, we use the base form of the verb. We don't need to use the verb in past form. Please remember to like this video if you find it useful. Share it with your friends and colleagues learning English. And remember to subscribe to my channel for more free English videos each week. Thank you for watching.